Good morning, children. I hope you must have gone through the explanation of the chapter number 3 in Rossels and the Lion in our online earlier session properly. Now we are going to move on to the exercises regarding this chapter. Let's begin with the exercises. Learning words, reading and writing skills, vocabulary. The opposites of the word are given in a jumbled form. Rearrange the letters to form the correct words. Enemy, friend. Tall, short. Soft, hard. Stop, start. Hate, love. Enter, exit. Moving on further, let's start with the reading skills comprehension. Question number 1. Answer the following questions. Who was in Rossels? Mark this answer on page number 24. First line. Androssels was a slave who once escaped from his master and fled to a forest. Answer 1. Moving on further to question number 2. Why did Androssels decide to run away from his master's house? Again mark this answer on page number 24. Page number 24. From the second line, cut down he and write Androssels' master made him work the whole day but did not give him enough food to eat. Though Androssels always obeyed the orders of his master, yet the master often beat him severely. So, cut down Androssels and write down he decided to run away from his cut down masters from his house. This is your answer number 2. Moving on to question number 3. What did the Romans enjoy watching? Mark this answer on page number 25. First of all, you have to mark out from the question only. Romans enjoy watching the cruel sport of, then move on to page number 25. Cruel sport of the slaves to fight with wild animals. This is your answer number 3. Moving on further. How did the lion behave when it reached Androssels? Again mark this answer on page number 25. On page number 25, from second line, you have to write down when. When the lion reached Androssels, smelt him and started to lick his feet. After that, Androssels cut down, then jumped on the lion and began to play with him and write down as if it remembered Androssels as the one whom he had helped in the forest? This is your answer number 4. Moving on to the question number 2. State if the following statements are true or false. A. The lion was hungry and tried to kill and eat Androssels. No. False. B. The custom in Rome was to punish slaves severely. Yes, of course, it's true. C. Androssels was sure that the lion would kill him. Yes, of course, it's also true. Androssels never wanted to run away from his master's house. False. Question number 3. One of the sentences, complete them with the words from the lesson. One of the punishment was to force the slaves to fight with wild animals. Androssels was brought to a big stadium to fight with a hungry lion. As soon as the cage was opened, the lion rushed towards Androssels. The crowd cheered and waited for the fight. Moving on to question number 4. Put a tick on the correct option to complete the sentences. A. The emperor was touched by Androssels' kindness. B. Androssels was rewarded with money and freedom by the emperor. The lion was the same one whom Androssels had helped. One night when everyone was asleep, Androssels ran away from the house. Thus, with this we are finished up with the exercises regarding this chapter. Now, mark down the work you have to do in your notebook. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 are to be done in your English text notebook in a neat and clean handwriting in a sequential manner. Complete this work positively by tomorrow and send it to me on my personal window. Okay students, thank you.